Finding the perfect motorcycle phone mount can feel like a challenge, right? Many mounts out there either shake loose during rides, don't fit properly, or worse, break within weeks. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into phone mounts that actually deliver, tested on various motorcycles and road conditions. You can find direct links and details about our testing process in the description. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Bovemanx mount. Now, this one stands out with its 4 military-grade vibration dampeners. It cuts down shaking by about 70%. That's not quite the 90% the company claims, but it's still an impressive result, especially for the price. Here's what's great. It's designed to fit phones ranging from 4 to 7.2 inches. And the silicone padding? A thoughtful touch. It keeps your phone safe from scratches. The all-metal construction feels durable and reliable, while the 1-second locking mechanism is smooth and efficient. Plus, the 360-degree rotation feature? A total win for those moments when you need to switch between GPS and music on the go. But like any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. The locking mechanism, for instance, can start to feel stiff after a few months, particularly if you ride in dusty environments. And while those vibration dampeners work well initially, some users have noticed they lose effectiveness over time, which means you might need to do a bit of upkeep. The handlebar clamp fits sizes between 15 and 44 millimeters, which works great for most standard handlebars. But if you've got custom ones, you might need to pick up additional adapters to make it fit perfectly. There you have it, a solid option with some real strengths and a couple of considerations to weigh. Stay tuned as we move through the list and explore mounts that might be just what you've been looking for. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the BRCOVAN mount. This one immediately catches attention with its solid aluminum alloy base and effortless one-handed operation. The stainless steel telescopic arms grip your phone securely, giving you that peace of mind you need during a ride. Plus, the mounting system is versatile. It fits both handlebars and mirror frames, which is a nice touch for different bike setups. Now, here's where it gets really impressive. The non-contact camera design. This feature ensures there's no pressure on your phone's cameras, keeping them safe and functional. And the included rubber inserts? They're a standout. They actually work for different handlebar sizes, unlike some competitors that come with flimsy, unreliable adapters. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The 1-second locking mechanism, while convenient in theory, doesn't always work seamlessly. It can take a few tries to get your phone positioned properly, especially if you're using a thicker case. And the ball joint, though adjustable, has a tendency to loosen during longer rides, which might be a bit frustrating. When it comes to performance, this mount holds up well on paved roads, handling bumps with ease. But if you're into off-road adventures, you might find yourself needing to make frequent adjustments to keep things secure. A small heads up, some users have noticed minor scratches on their phone cases from the corner grips, so it's something to watch out for. Coming in third, the JOYROOM mount earns its spot with some impressive features. Its auto-lock system and reinforced ball joint immediately stand out, giving you a sense of confidence when you're out on the road. The high-speed lock switch is a thoughtful touch, adding that extra layer of security when you're tackling rough patches. And the cushioned clamp? A great way to protect both your phone and your handlebar. Now, here's where it gets exciting. This mount performs well even at high speeds. While it might not quite reach the claimed 100 mph stability, it's still far more reliable than many other options out there. The upgraded ball joint is made from quality materials, and you can really feel the difference in stability compared to cheaper alternatives. Of course, no product is without its flaws. The auto lock button can occasionally stick in humid conditions, which might be a bit inconvenient. And while the silicone pad in the thread is a nice feature, it tends to wear down faster than you'd hope. If you're using a larger phone case, especially a heavy-duty one, you might face some challenges getting the perfect fit. That said, the angle adjustment is a breeze to use. It moves smoothly and allows for great flexibility, but keeping your preferred position might require some regular tightening. And one thing to keep in mind, some riders have reported that the mounting base can leave marks on chrome handlebars. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider if you want to keep your bike looking pristine. Taking second place, the Lamicall mount strikes a great balance between simplicity and reliability. One of its standout features is the corner grip design, which provides excellent stability for your phone. And here's a feature that truly sets it apart: the red safety switch. It's such a thoughtful addition, preventing accidental releases that can happen with other mounts. This small but crucial detail gives you that extra peace of mind on your rides. Another thing to love? Installation is completely tool-free. That means less hassle for you. The included silicone pads aren't just there for show. They genuinely make a difference in reducing vibrations, keeping your phone steady even on less than smooth roads. The mount accommodates phones up to 6.8 inches comfortably, but the thickness limit of 15 millimeters could be a bit snug for bulkier cases. Now let's talk about the adjustment mechanism. It's impressive, smooth enough for easy, one-handed operation, but still tight enough to hold your phone in place, even on the move. However, it's worth mentioning that the plastic components in the rotation mechanism might start to show signs of wear if you're using it daily for several months. You may also experience a bit of movement on particularly rough roads, despite the otherwise secure grip. And while the handlebar fit range of 15 to 40 millimeters works well for most bikes, if you've got larger handlebars, installation can be a bit of a challenge, even with the included pads. All in all, the Lamicall mount is a reliable and user-friendly option that delivers where it counts. Let's see what our top pick has in store. Taking the top spot is the KEWIG motorcycle phone mount, and for good reason. This mount truly goes above and beyond by solving multiple challenges riders face. It stands out with its impressive IP66 waterproof rating, which protects your phone in all kinds of weather, and its dual charging capabilities, offering both 15-watt wireless and 20-watt USB-C charging. Now, that's convenience and reliability in one package. One feature I absolutely love is the automatic locking mechanism. It works smoothly and consistently, even when you're wearing gloves. Such a thoughtful design for motorcyclists. Installation is simple and hassle-free, and the aluminum construction feels rock solid, giving you confidence that it's built to last. Plus, the power switch comes with an indicator light, so you'll always know when your phone is actually charging. No guessing games. Now, there are a few things to consider. The charging feature requires a direct connection to your motorcycle's battery. While the installation process isn't overly complicated, some riders might prefer a more plug-and-play solution. Also, while the wireless charging feature is super handy, it can generate some heat during longer rides. It's nothing to worry about, but it's worth noting. The mounting system is flexible, accommodating handlebars between 0.87 and 1.26 inches. And the added option for rear-view mirror installation? That's a fantastic bonus for riders with non-standard setups. Just keep in mind that charging speeds can vary depending on your phone model and case. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of motorcycle gear. You can find links to all the mounts mentioned in the description below, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with motorcycle phone mounts. Drop a comment and let's chat. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next review.